let's see. Estimated time of arrival. We don't know that until we take off. What we will know is, look down here. We're going to be going to Charlotte, North Carolina. It's going to take us 1 hour and 33 minutes. We're going to travel a distance of 593 nautical miles. Okay? So, down here is, instead of ETA, let's just put
set to, Alex. Going to be set to. What does the cabin pressure on this plane typically run at about?
It depends on the altitudes, but it's usually between 6.5 and 7. It doesn't ever get very much higher than that, sometimes 7.5.
Oh, from here to Charlotte?
Well, it really doesn't matter the length of the leg, it matters the altitude.
The height that you run, right.
And this thing's a G-Wiz airplane, so it takes into consideration everything. Temperature.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this airplane would have like 168 computers on it, onboard computers. It has everything. So, well, we got most of it done. Every time we do outboard, so that's why I bring those every year. I tell you what, why don't you help me out? So let me have my pen. You can't steal my pen. All right. Now, I'm going to get you to push some buttons for me, okay? Ready? All right. Press that one right there.
That one?
Yep, press that one. All right. Now press all of these that are lit up. Press all those. Okay, those are fuel pumps. Yep, turn them on. You just turn fuel pumps on. Okay? Now, as we come down here, it says seatbelt sign. Go ahead and turn that on. Yep. Alright, now, that camera right down there is one of the checks we have to do. Start on the top right-hand corner. See where it says fuel. Now press that. Okay, now just hold on just a second. So what do we have? Each tank. Those are all of our tanks.
Fuel. This is the fuel of the wings. This is the fuel of the center tank. So we hold most of our fuel in our wings. And then we have more than what we hold the wings in the center tank for the rest.
And see up there in the top, see how much, see what it says? What's that number? Alright, then we look down here. Our release fuel is 18,651. So as long as we have that or more, we're good. The first officer here has probably already sent that exact fuel. He sends that.
Well, yes, I have, right there.
He sent that. So that means our people that do our weight and balances know all that. Okay? So they go to where it says HYD.
Yeah, right there, HYD.
Press it.
That's the hydraulics.
That's what makes the gear go up and down, the flaps go up and down, and things like that. So we want to make sure, see all three of those arrows he's pointing to right now? We want to make sure they're at the top of the arc. That little square, that little box. Yeah, so all three of those are good. Look out the window.
Wow.
Here, press this button right
Are
here.
you
No, we're good. We're good. Look out there to him and do this. Go like this. Put your hand like that and go just like that. Go to him. That guy out there.
Your
he's
left
got it.
hand. Left hand is straight up and down. Like that. You see that? There you go.
There you go.
He's got it.
Ground signal.
All right.
What he's doing, he's unplugging us from the airport, and we'll be on our own power.
Yeah, we've got another jet engine that powers the airplane while we're just sitting here. All right, now press Florida Highway Patrol. Press the P where it says pressure. Right, almost had it. Almost pressure. There it is. Press that one. Yep. Now that's our pressurization. That's what we were looking at before. We want to make sure the aircraft's got pressure on the ground. And then go over to where it says E and G. Those are all our engine readings. We want to make sure it has oil in the engines. We want to make sure that they're not running or anything silly like that. We can't go with anything less than 13. That may not even be a limitation. And if you press the engine again, then we go back to our home page. Press it one more time. And one more thing. Just check and see that the parking brake is on.
It's right there, parking brake's on.
And we're all set. You've done everything I normally do.
You did his work for him? Now what is he going to get paid to do?
Strike out on that.
That was probably just a short part of the checklist
I
too.
don't know if they have PDC down here. I don't know. I'd call them.
Okay, Alex. Anything else?
Let's see. We're
We'd like to hear us talk to the controllers here.
yeah, he's gonna get our clearance. Make sure that it matches our paperwork.
What's our flight number?
Look right there on the thing where it says AWE. What's the flight number on the top?
1754.
Nice and loud, Alex.
Have anything on it?
All right.
I just sent it to him trying to get our
Now you confused me.
Tag 1754, you clear the Charlotte Douglas Airport via the Beaver to one departure. Shows the transition as filed. On the end of 6, departure frequency 128.3 and squawk 3736.
Contact 1754. Shows transition to 586.
Tag 1751, reloading program.
Alex, see this panel right here? Press clear. Press clear. And then press 3736. Okay, that's how they see us. On the radar, that number will pop up and it'll have who we are underneath it on their radar. So they can see us.
Self the radar on.
Yeah. So I think that's about it for now. So we'll get that temperature for you. And we'll see you in Charlotte, okay? Thanks for helping. You made my job easy today.